Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. We are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective, only looking at the stock chart, trying to find patterns so that we can try to profit from them. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla a little bit up today, up $6.08, 1% at 605.13. So basic and post market 604.05 minus $1. So basically, yeah, Tesla had a couple of days down a couple of days ago, and now we are recovering. So this seems to be the support. So look at this nice support here. So this support here was used on May 19th. It was almost used June 3rd, almost used Friday, and today, well, we are going a bit far off of it. So basically, Tesla is still in a downtrend, local downtrend. Look at this here, local downtrend, and a bigger downtrend too. So we have this resistance here that creates a big triangle. We have resistance like this, and we have support like this, and within that we have another resistance like this. So basically, this thicker resistance is the bigger one that we need to cross so that the stock can spread its swings. Before that, the stock can still go up a little bit, and it's still possible to profit from that move. So that smaller move is going to happen when the stock is going to cross this resistance here that we have here. And so the stock is really stuck between this resistance and this support. Let me try to make this a little bit cleaner. I have so many lines and some of them are not useful anymore. So basically the stock is caught between these two lines, and eventually it's going to come up or come down. Because Tesla is going to make an announcement on June 10th. I am being fundamental here. I'm talking about the company and the news and all of that. Because of this event, the Tesla stock could just start and go. But we should not buy Tesla only because we know that there is going to be an event on June 10th. If there is going to be an event, and if that event is going to have an impact on the stock, we are going to see the impact on the stock by, guess what? Looking at the stock prices and the stock chart. So we don't really need to look at the news. The news trickle down, either positive or negative, into the stock price. So basically, I would not be surprised if Tesla would go up. I might be wrong. I would not be surprised. But it does not mean that I'm gonna, well, I will just wait to see what happens. And I think this is sound advice. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So remember last week when we had this big drop down because some news about Tesla not selling much in China, blah, blah, blah. And then it seemed to have turned out that it's not really true. So then, boop, the stock went back up. Then the stock hit resistance last Friday. So last Friday, the stock was here. And this morning we opened on this candle here. So we opened down today. We opened down and then we made a bottom. We made a bottom here, and this bottom here is higher than this bottom here. And let me just draw this. I had drawn this at some point. So this is the channel that we are in, and Tesla broke out of this little channel on the hourly chart. So we broke out of it, and now we are just resting on the upper part of this breakout. So we are inching up towards this this resistance, and from an hourly perspective, the move is pretty strong. If you look at the stochastic, super high at 92, MACD crossed over, and DMI, which I like a lot, you know, crossed over also. So so I would not be surprised if we are not going to reach 613, 615 tomorrow. I think it's possible that we do that. And then when we reach that price, I came back to the daily chart. When we reach that price, then the stock will have to make a decision. Should I obey the resistance at 615 and then cave in and maybe obey to the support, or is there enough strength in the market to make it cross this resistance here and maybe move to the next one before doing something? I don't know. We are going to have to wait until tomorrow to see if we have enough strength to cross this. So let's look at the indicators. So indicators, we had a little dive because of what happened here since May 28th. And now we are recovering. We are at 40. Not too bad. It's not super exceptional either. MACD has still crossed over, still negative both lines, and DMI is still not ready. So as I mentioned in the past, my feeling with what I see here is that Tesla is not ready to launch unless there's something super big on June 10th and people go crazy. This is possible. But so far, in terms of the technical indicators, I don't see the stock going away and breaking this big resistance here that we had since January of this year. I think the stock will do just one more move before breaking it at some point. So that's my guess. That's my speculation. This is my guess. Don't hold me to it, or else I won't speculate anymore. So, and then we have, it looks like we are going to have on August, is that August? Yes, April, August. So August is going to be the next earnings report. So, so it makes some sense that the stock might not become ready to really spread its swings around that time. So that's my read today. And I have the right to change my read every single day because there's new information every single day. So thank you very much for watching. I publish a video every single day about Tesla and Palantir technical stock analysis. So if you want to see those videos in your feed, just subscribe and you will see them. They pop up at around 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. We have a Discord server. We have a Patreon account also. Please comment. I read all of your comments. I enjoy reading your comments. I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.